Hey everyone, it's late at night and I am Norman, and tonight I am doing an unboxing of the C65 Trident by Christopher Ward. This is a watch that I've already owned and it just came back from the shop. So let's flip the camera around and begin unboxing this beast. Alright, so here we have the box. Oh, and in honor of this video, I am wearing the CW Sandhurst. Another watch in the C65 line. Alright, so here's the box. I've already cut the tape, so we don't have to do that here. Christopher Ward is really good about getting the packages out quickly. I got notified about this, and within a matter of days, it was already here from the UK. Here to the US. Alright, so inside we have the black box. Let me pull this out. Unboxing is one of my favorite aspects of watch collecting. So this will be fun. Alright, so here we have, look at the ends, we have some black cardboard on this end, and on the other end we get a peek of wood. Christopher Ward packaging is really nice. Alright, so let's slide this sleeve off here. And here we have it. The Christopher Ward logo there, embossed into the cardboard. Big block of wood over here. Slide it open, nice and snug. It's just really good packaging. And that is substantial. Look at how thick that is. There's even some padding inside. Set this aside. And you can see that the interior here is all wood. Pretty amazing. So we'll take this out. This is just some cardboard. Nothing inside of it. Maybe when I first purchased the watch, there might have been something in there, but I don't think so. I think it was hollow like this when I got it. The invoice, 0 charge. This was under warranty. I have all of my paperwork in here. When I sent it into the shop, I packaged it up exactly how it was when I received it, except it is on a different watch band. The warranty card. $60/60 guarantee. C65 Trident Automatic Owner's Handbook. The blue ones are really nice. Every time I see those, they catch my eye. I'm not usually into blue dials, but I love the color of those. And there it is, exactly as I got it on a leather band. And you can see the stats here. 41 millimeters, 11.55 millimeters thick, lug to lug of 47.1 millimeters, 150 millimeters of water resistance. It has the Sellita SW200-3 in it. Information on the bands, water resistance, the guarantee, and keeping in touch. Another invoice. That's a long story that we'll have to tell later. And there is the watch. Okay, so let me remove it here. They dated the service, or marked this with the date of the service, sorry. Quality control tested date. There is the Trident. It has the logo that everyone hates. I really don't mind it. I've always loved the Trident second-hand, ever since I first discovered the brand. This is a pretty cool band. It's rubber, but it has real stitching in it. Kind of gives it the aesthetic of a leather. Signed crown. I love the thin bezel. And that box crystal. Always love a box crystal. I actually like the vintagified lume on there. I don't think it's terribly bright though. I haven't done tests yet. I'll have to do that. Trident on the back. Alright, let's put this on the wrist and see what it looks like. And here you have it. The C65 Trident on the wrist. I have a nice brushed buckle on there. It's like a dress watch buckle, but tougher. The watch appears really thin, even though it's just kind of a normal sports watch thickness there, 11 and a half. It's a really great looking watch. These watches were inspired by the sub-aqua watches of the 1960s. You really can't go wrong going vintage. Just look at this case shape. Absolutely amazing. How it angles in on the bottom there. Christopher Ward cases are absolutely just exquisite. So there you have it, the C65 Trident by Christopher Ward. Although the watch is larger than I would prefer, the lugs are wider than I would like, the overall aesthetic of this watch is absolutely amazing. I love the vintage vibe. I think they were totally successful in capturing that essence. It is a great watch. Thanks for watching.